Okay, the coming question has 3 versions, so please watch the question very carefully and count the number of cats, please. Here too, the coming question has 3 versions, so please watch the question very carefully and count the number of cats.
I was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time goes on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile. Take me, I just follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, 'cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
This coming question is different, so please watch this question very carefully, as this image is shifted little bit right, you can see here, and answer is 26.
Let me escape from this love, 'cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share.